Cha! Hey, yo guys, what's going on? So today we are doing some magnet fishing. It is a magnet fishing vlog, but I do have some stuff to show you guys later when I get in. So we've got that. We actually have Four Seasons with us again, so we're doing another collaboration. There he is over there. Whoop whoop, hello! If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe now to join me on this epic adventure. I don't know what I'm doing with my body right now, it's crazy. And if you haven't hit that notification button, hit that notification button to be updated when I upload. But yeah, we're doing some magnet fishing today. I am going to do other things. You know what, I think this might be a good spot. So this is the environment we are in today. I think we are going to start there. So guys, I just met one of my fans. Yo, how you doing? Good. How you doing? I'm cool, man. How you doing, John? Sorry guys, I'm a bit bored. I'm just sitting here. It's yeah. Right, so guys, we've decided to walk up a bit more because frankly we couldn't find anything here except for those swans that, you know, some of my fans, yeah. But anyway, we are now heading a bit further up. As you can see, he's over there.
It's a rail fitting by the looks of it, for the rail line. I've got a scaffold clipped down there and a metal pole and a steel rod. Unfortunately, my other camera, the battery had run out and I didn't realise. So,
in a world where old people are taking over the world. You've seen stormtroopers, you've seen clone troopers, but you haven't seen old troopers.
Sonny, what'd you say? It's one of them bolts?
I wouldn't say it's a third bone.
Rail clips.
It's another bone.
Don't feel as heavy.
Maybe it's an actual body this time. Earplugs, I feel sad. If you put that bit on YouTube, damn, you have to have a warning sign. Warning, about to get loud. That's right, it's another bone. Yeah. Third bone. It looks like a mini it looks like a mini baseball bat.
Yeah, it's a longer one, that one.
Dad, we're about to be attacked. So me and my dad are doing some magnet fishing. Well, he is. I'm the cameraman. I might add a bit of his work into my video today. So basically, we're underneath a train track right now. It is so loud. Oh my days! You cannot hear anything. It's crazy. Well, I'm going to get back to my camera work. I'll see you guys soon. We are now leaving. We are going back. Well, we are actually going to get something to eat. I want to tell you guys something, yeah? It's been worst day being a freaking cameraman. I was meant to do some of the work, but no. He over there. Zoom in, future Harry. Boom. Yeah, him. He didn't want me doing any of it. But I've got some news, okay? I'm thinking, me and my father, about right behind me, there's a go-kart place. Thinking about doing that. Basically, the reason I'm saying this is because Lewis Hamilton used to actually go there, like...
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again.
Before he was doing Formula 1 or whatever, he used to go there, so I think that would be cool. I'm being said that, but my father thinks I'm weird. So we're back in the van, we are heading out. I don't know what I've done with my head then. I've done some crazy stuff because I'm a gangster. So yeah, we're heading back now. You know what's funny? My dad decided to get me all dirty. That's cool. Now we're going to do anime run because we're going to look at some fireworks. I don't know if you can see me. Let's go. I'm fast.
The final countdown. The final countdown.
Come on, boys. Turn them on then.
That's your phone.
Fight.
Your phone. That's not it. Right, follow us now.
First one to get struck down. Strike down. Cha! It's not over until... Oh my god, these are like lightsabers!
I'm surprised. Are you really famous?
I'm the biggest YouTuber on YouTube.
No, I'm surprised considering all like the events that we go to and that. No, it's like quite a good
Events, mate. I'm gonna go to VidCon one day. Boys. So boys, the objective is you have to hit the person off. Okay? Fight! Wait, lights on?
What are lights on break then?
No, they won't. Softer, do it softer. Go. Come. You ready? Fight. Oh. You're about to die. Charlie. Assassinate her. Kill her. Where did she go? Hello guys. Having a bit of fun with the kids, you know what I'm saying? Two, one, blast off. Right, what? I don't know. Yay! I don't know.
What?
Oh no, Megan, you've been shot. It's a party in the USA. Come on, come down to me. It's a party in the USA. Come on, come down to me. So guys, we're heading back and mate, you touched my butt. You touched my butt, bro. Keep your hands off the goods. Now heading back home. Molly, did you enjoy yourself? Yeah, she enjoyed herself. She had a good time. Yeah, we're now going home because frankly, it is damn late. It's not. We're literally there for an hour. Just an hour. Now we're going Chinese shops. I mean, that's good. Charlie, do the dance. Yeah, boy. Alright, no. Yeah, so we're going to get some Chinese now. So we're finally home. You know what? I'm tired. I want to go to bed right now. I'm not joking. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, leave a like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe. And I'll see you lovely people in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.